Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable a startup programs in Windows 10. For this, I will use two methods. First one is Task Manager and the next one is Windows 10 Settings app. So let me start without any delay. First one method, that one is Task Manager. For that, open Task Manager by right clicking on the taskbar and here select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, switch to this one, a Startup tab. Here, right click on the application and select Enable or Disable according to your needs. If you will select Disable, then it will be disabled. For instance, it's this one Cortana is all enabled now. After right clicking on this one, you will see Disable option. You can disable a startup apps like this using Task Manager. Next one is through Settings app. For that, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. Press Windows plus I key on the keyboard or right click on this one, a Start button, and here select Settings to open the Settings window on your Windows 10 PC. Now click on Apps, then select a startup in the left side. This one, a startup entry. On the right, you will find a lot of application. You need to turn on or off toggle switch to enable or disable this one, and like this you can enable or disable a startup apps on Windows 10 using settings apps. Thanks for watching this video.